Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. I'm also the author of My Journey to the Fountain of Youth, and I'm putting in the link below where you can get that book, and it's a book that has a lot of great tips on how to look and feel as young and healthy as possible as you age in life. It has also the ebook book is actually better because it actually has a lot of links to other channels, other YouTube channels, and other websites that will give you some great tips on how to look and feel as young as possible. And today I'm going to talk about 5 health benefits of turmeric. And before we get into the material, just make sure that you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time another health video gets out there. I put one out every Thursday, so I put out health videos every Thursday, and I put out a vlog of our life in California, living it up healthy in California, every Sunday. So let's move on. So before we get into the actual tips, I just want to talk a little bit about what is turmeric, and some people don't know what it is. And you can see from the picture here, it's a root that grows in India mainly, but you can grow it here too. But it's an Indian food. It's orange and yellow. It's a root that's kind of orange and yellowish look. It's a good spice. You probably know from curry. If you ever had curry, turmeric is in curry. And it's also lately it's been thought of as a superfood. People think that, or people do see the health benefits of consuming turmeric every day. And again, if you're going to consume it, daily. That's probably the best way to be consistent about it, and you'll get the best benefit. But it's really coming out to be a superfood and really have a lot of health benefits and anti-aging benefits. So we're going to get into the benefits right now. So the first benefit is that it really helps the brain function better. So it's going to reduce memory problems, and as we age in life, as you know, we tend to have memory problems like Alzheimer's and dementia, and turmeric will definitely help out with that. It doesn't completely cure that, so obviously, as in any case, listen to your doctor first. Don't replace medications and medical advice for turmeric, but just you could supplement that with turmeric. So listen to your doctor, do what they tell you, and then you can supplement with turmeric, unless the doctor says don't take turmeric because maybe you're allergic to it, but most people are not. It reduces the risk of brain disease, like I just mentioned, and also fights stress. And stress, as you know, is a killer not only on the mental side of your body, but the physical side of your body. So just let you know, it's reducing stress in your life is always a good thing, and turmeric can really help with that. Especially some people will do like a turmeric tea. You just take turmeric and you heat it up in water and you drink it, and that way it will relax you and reduce stress. So anyway, those are all great health benefits for the brain, and that's like probably one of the most important things that we have, because without your brain, you really don't have much. So let's move on to the second benefit. So what it does is it really improves skin health, and that's a great thing, because as you age in life, you want to make sure your skin is going to be healthy, because you're going to need it for the rest of your life, and you want to look and feel as young as possible. So what it does is it actually tightens the skin, and it also helps with the elasticity of the skin. So that's very important as you age. It also reduces acne. So if you have an acne problem, you can actually do like a face mask. So you can take turmeric. You can either take the root and grind it up into a blender with or coconut oil or with yogurt, or you can take the powder form. I like the raw form better because I think it's more earthy. It has more nutrients in it, because as you turn it into a powder, you're going to kill some of those nutrients. So I always like to use the root itself. And so if you do that, then you blend it in the blender, and you put that on your face. You're going to put that with yogurt, and you put it on your face and let it sit for about an hour, and then wash it off, and you do that once a week. That's going to help with the elasticity of your face, and also help with the acne on your face. but also consuming it will also help with skin all around your body. So, so both ways work, and some people actually do both. So let's move on to the next benefit. So one of the great benefits of turmeric is it actually assists in weight loss. And the way it does that, it actually helps to reduce body fat. So the good thing is it helps with weight loss, but not the muscle. It actually reduces the body fat. And that's what we all want. We want to keep the muscle and we want to lose the body fat. So turmeric aids in that, and because of that, it's really can help out with obesity and reducing obesity problems in not only this country, but the world. So consume turmeric every day and you won't be sorry you did. What I do is I put it in my breakfast smoothie every morning. So I have a breakfast smoothie with a lot of vegetables in it, and spinach and some protein in there, and a little bit of fruit, and I throw turmeric and ginger in there too. And I know that turmeric is doing me good every day. So anyway, that's just a way to take it. And let's move on to the next benefit. So as we age, we know that our joints can start to ache. Some of us are going to get arthritis, and some of us are just going to have just joint pain. And even when we're working out, it might actually hurt more. So what's great about turmeric is it actually will aid in helping to reduce pain in the joints, because it's an anti-inflammatory. So it actually help with that, and it also help with people who have arthritis. Now again, it doesn't take away going to a medical doctor and listening to the medical doctor. Do that first. That's more important. If you have arthritis, listen to what the medical doctor says. But taking turmeric does not hurt in that process, and it'll actually help you hopefully get off medication. Hopefully it will get you to the point where a doctor says, hey, you're not feeling the pain, you don't have to take this medication anymore. But again, listen to the doctor on that. But it's another great benefit, and we're going to move on to the last benefit. So the next benefit, and it's the last one, it's my favorite, is turmeric has anti-aging benefits. And so, it's amazing that how well it works with anti-aging. And the reason why is it's, like I mentioned earlier, it's an anti-inflammatory, and anti-inflammatory is just going to help you age better. It's also an antioxidant, which is going to help because as your cells oxidize, they start to get old, and that's what helps. That's what gets you to the point where you're getting older. So if an antioxidant is going to help slow down that process. It also controls free radicals, so that helps with the chance of getting cancer. So it really does help with that, and that's always something that we all think about. So it does reduce the risk of cancer through that, and it also can heal wounds, which is an amazing thing. So, and the main thing is it keeps cells healthy. So our cells need nutrients in order to stay healthy, to grow, just like anything, it needs nutrients. So you could put cupcakes in your system, or you can put healthy food in your system. So healthy food, and including turmeric into that healthy food mix, is going to help keep your cells young and healthy as you age. And that's why you see some people who are over 100 years old and they're still doing marathons, believe it or not. And there are some people who are 65 years old and they can't get out of their wheelchair because of arthritis pain. And so that's because mainly, not always, but mainly it's because people who eat healthier are going to have healthier lives throughout. And it's not only about how long you live, it's about the quality of life that you're going to have as you age. And that's one of the great benefits of it. So those are the benefits. And if you like the video, please click on the thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also subscribe to the channel and ring that bell, because I will make sure that I'm going to be putting out the videos every Thursday, like I mentioned earlier, on health related topics, and then also putting my healthy vlog living in California on every Sunday, and you'll be notified of that. So until then, I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.